Kung naghahanap ka ng sasakyan na tipid sa gas, low maintenance, at pwedeng-pwede rin pang negosyo, today, sisilipin natin yung Toyota Vios XL. Perfect na perfect ito kung ikaw ay mahilig mag-daily commute, first car mo, o di kaya naman gusto mo ito pang gamiting business. Matipid sa gasolina, subok na ang reliability. So basically, sa Toyota Vios XLE, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang features, interior, at actual feels nito sa loob at kung bakit ito isang choice na pwede mong piliin as your first option na sasakyan na gugustuhin mo. So, wag na natin patagalin. Halika, bisitahin na natin ang Toyota Vios XLE. Alright guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Toyota Vios XLE. Isang sedan na simple at maporma pero reliable. Kung mapapansin nyo, with this wide front grille ng Vios, 'di ba? Malaki, bold, at ang linis ng design, 'di ba? Black finish siya kaya nagbibigay ng sporty at aggressive look sa harap. For instance, sa gitna naman ng Toyota Vios XLE, 'di ba? Mapapansin mo yung Toyota emblem nito na simple yung design pero pag tinignan mo 'to, 'di ba sa daan, mapapansin mo agad na Vios yung sasakyan sa kalsada. Sa headlight naman ng Toyota Vios XLE kung pupunta tayo dito, sobrang sharp, simple, at super fresh. It gives that modern look and sleek design. Tapos at the same time, yung headlight na to is halogen with multi-reflector housing po. Kaya malinaw yung buga ng ilaw pag night driving kayo. And at the same time, this Vios XLE uses, 'di ba? H11 yung low beam at HB3 naman yung high beam. So sobrang bright niya for everyday driving. For instance, dito naman tayo sa fog lamps ng Toyota Vios XLE, no? Makikita nyo yung round fog lamps na naka-integrate sa front bumper. Ang maganda dito, hindi lahat ng Vios variants meron nito. For example, yung base variant like the Vios XE, wala itong front bumper fog lamps for instance. Mapapansin nyo naman sa windshield ng Vios XLE, ito ay malapad at very clear, di ba? In a way, it is a laminated safety glass, meaning matibay siya, and at the same time, design talaga for safety. And of course, sa side profile naman ng Toyota Vios XLE, diba, makikita mo itong sleek and aerodynamic silhouette, diba, ng sasakyan. For instance, dumadaloy ito from the rear fender, yung lines niya. Tapos at the same time, if you're going to look at its side mirror, for instance, it has two-tone finish. On top of that, meron din itong integrated turn signal na makikita nyo dito sa gilid ng sasakyan. Kung mapapansin nyo, for instance, yung pinaka-paborito kong part ng Vios XLE, di ba? Naka 15-inch na two-tone alloy wheels, naka wrap around with Yokohama tires na napaka-sporty yung look, 'di ba? Because of its two-tone design. Kung papasukin natin itong Toyota Vios XLE, sasalubungin tayo nitong upuan na may premium fabric seat na kung saan may seat hadter agad itong Toyota Vios kung iyong seat height para sa position na gusto mo. Ito sa door panel ng Toyota Vios XLE, 'di ba? Sarado lang natin 'to. Nandito actually yung window control, yung central locking system, at saka yung automatic joystick side mirror control na mag-automatically adjust na yung side mirror window from right side. Kung hahawakan naman natin yung manibela, naka-leather na yung stitch design niya. Sa harap ng kamay ko, nandito yung audio controls at voice command. Kung may tatawag or something like that, kung idadrop mo or i-answer mo siya directly sa panel ng manibela. And dito sa manibela, of course, yung steering wheel na to is a 3-spoke design. For instance, na kung saan actually naka-electronic power steering na siya or EPS, 'di ba? Anyway, magaan yung manibela na to and perfect na perfect talaga to pag ikaw ay first time car buyer. Sa likod naman ng manibela, 'di ba? Nandito yung mga instrument cluster natin na makikita mo yung speedometer, 'di ba? Fuel gauge, at least analog type yung fuel gauge na 'to, pati at the same time yung speedometer niya and reading ng RPM. So, alright guys, dito naman tayo sa infotainment of course meron siyang 7-inch mga madam and sir, no? 7-inch na dashboard. Ayan. Tapos at the same time supported din ito ng Bluetooth, USB. Same time, paano ba ikino-connect dito yung Apple CarPlay and Android Auto? Actually, ilalagay mo lang to with your USB and connect it to your phone and infotainment with the support of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ba naman, of course, nandito yung ating classic rotary thermostat. Tapos at the same time, fan blower din na adjustable at pwede mo ring iset kung halimbawa gusto mo lang yung aircon is tumatama sa mukha mo or both sa mukha at pati sa ilalim. At kung titignan naman natin yung transmission, meron siyang automatic pero may sequential sport mode din siya or yung parang manual mode na ginagamit natin like dito. So basically kung halimbawa kayatan usually kung gusto mo talagang timbrehan or timplayan yung shifting ng sasakyan, 'di ba? Mag-drive ng manual na sasakyan, 'di ba? At gusto niyo nga timplahin yung shifting niya. So basically plus minus lang 'yan. Although wala siyang yung clutch because siyempre automatic tong sasakyan. Pero it gives you the more accurate and at the same time responsive, 'di ba, shifting once ginamit niyo tong mode po. Pero of course optional lang naman 'yan. So pwede niyo lang naman iset siya with the, if ever you so chooses to have that option. Time dito naman is that mayroon siyang mga cup holders, dalawa. Tapos dito din sa gilid dito din sa front driver seat, meron din siyang cup holders. If we're going to go here at the second row, 'di ba, you will notice na at least ang material ng door panel niya is hard plastic. And at the same time, when we go inside with our Toyota Vios XLE, mapapansin mo may stereo speaker dito sa baba. Actually, 4 yung speaker nito. Meron din siya doon sa front seat and dito din sa driver seat po. So, ayan. So, yan yung parang meron dito sa Toyota Vios XLE natin. Tapos, based on the second row seat, diba? Kung pupunta tayo dito, actually, ang kagandahan nito is that maluwag siya and have that ample leg room, madam and sir, no? Once I am actually a passenger, 'di ba, at this Toyota Vios XLE. Tapos at the same time, ang kagandahan din dito is I have also an ample headroom, 'di ba, with this Toyota Vios XLE, 'di ba? Actually, I'm a 5'8" person po. So ayan, nandun pa rin naman, may enough space siya. So I could have that comfortable ride every time I am the passenger, 'di ba, of this car. It could at least carry tatlong tao para umupo dito sa second row seat natin. Pero at the same time, of course, recommended lang to sa dalawa. But to maximize the space, 'di ba? Kasi 5-seater nga siya. So ayan. Sobrang spacious ng Toyota Vios XLE natin kasi actually ang trunk capacity nitong Toyota Vios is it has at least 506 liter, 'di ba? In a way na kasya dito at least 3 or 4 na maleta or luggage, 'di ba? Na kayang magsakay din ng at least mga balikbayan box dahil sa luwag ng trunk nito. Tapos at the same time, kung mapapansin nyo rin sa rear ng Toyota Vios, 'di ba? Meron siyang camera, 'di ba? Rear camera. Actually, ito lang yung variant din na merong rear camera yung Toyota Vios natin. Pag sinarado din natin to, sa baba din ng rear ng Toyota Vios is makikita mo din yung at least parking sensor niya. So pag halimbawa malapit na kayong tumama sa mga sa likod ng sasakyan na nakapark din. So basically, magbi-beep yung ating sasakyan dahil may parking sensor siya. So ayan. After natin tong ikutan, so basically punta naman tayo lastly sa harap, 'di ba, ng Toyota Vios XLE. Yun yung pinaka one of the exciting part ng vlog natin. And the best way for you to actually open the front is of course by turning this front lever din ng ating Toyota Vios. Open na natin yung front, sarado na natin to. Tapos at the same time, pasyalan natin yung engine, 'di ba, bay ng Toyota Vios XLE. So we can open it para hanapin yung maliit na ano dito. Ito, nakita ko na. Tapos at the same time yan. Dito sa engine bay ng Toyota Vios natin actually, right? Napakaganda at napakalinis niya. Tapos at the same time, ang kagandahan din dito is may engine cover na tong Toyota Vios natin. Actually, sa dating mga version, wala pa tong mga ganito eh. So, nakabukas lang yan. And at the same time, yung engine natin for the Toyota Vios, that is at least, di ba, a 1.3, di ba, liter VVT engine, 'di ba, na kung saan sobrang tipid nito sa gasolina, 'di ba? Maganda yung fuel consumption rating nito. And if we're going to look at the fuel consumption rating then na Department of Energy as we speak, 'di ba? Si Vios ay may rating na at least 17.2 kilometers. Yun yung fuel consumption niya or economy niya. So, sobrang tipid talaga ng sasakyan na to. Kaya, that's the number one reason why a lot of Filipinos, diba? That's the reason why this is the number one car. It's the number one sedan in the Philippines, mga madam and sir, no? So, in a way na tested at proven talaga yung tibay ng Toyota, 'di ba? And at the same time, yung fuel economy na rin kasi number one thing is that this engine also lasts and stand the test of time, 'di ba? Na nandun talaga yung reliability, practicality, and overall longevity once you were able, 'di ba, to get this vehicle. So, lastly, once na napasya na natin lahat, 'di ba, ng beauty, 'di ba? The appreciation that this car was able to offer, mga madam and sir, no? And at the same time, why you should choose Toyota Vios XLE, the advantages and everything that you needed to know, 'di ba? With this walk around, 'di ba? Hopefully, 'di ba, maraming kayong natutunan, and at the same time kung iniikutin ko tong sasakyan na 'to, 'di ba? Ma-appreciate mo talaga yung at least aggressiveness, yung newness, 'di ba, ng sasakyan na 'to. It might not be as luxurious or something very intrinsic, I suppose, 'di ba? Pero at the end of the day, it will give you that simple yet recognizable, 'di ba, vehicle, 'di ba, that you can find on the market, mga madam and sir, no? And that's the kind of aspect, 'di ba, that you will get from this vehicle once you are able to own it, kumbaga. So basically, with this Toyota Vios actually, here at Toyota Pasig, may offer kami na pinakamaganda na promos once at least you were able to try out, 'di ba, with this vehicle, and perfect na perfect talaga to sa mga first time car buyer na naghahanap din ng sasakyan, or di kaya naman if you want something, 'di ba, that is at least reliable, something that is affordable, 'di ba? You can get this Toyota Vios for as low as at least 5,000 down payment, tapos at the same time 18,000 monthly amortization na po. So it is at least accessible, 'di ba, to a lot of Filipino buyers out there. So basically, if ever, 'di ba, na interested sila sa sasakyan na to, mga madam and sir, no? You can contact me, Samuel Grifiel at Toyota Pasig. I am ready to assist you above and beyond.